breaking.
No, Ronnie, I don't think they'll mind.
Well, you don't
I
think
didn't
so.
ask them, but
We're taking out these two pieces of this big driveway. You gotta have a lot of money to want to fix these little baby cracks like that.
Easy. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's one down.
This ain't gonna make it. Get it up. I mean, that piece there gonna break off.
If she dies, she dies.
If he dies, he dies.
Just try not to. See?
Yeah.
What can we do?
Oh, you're lifting it up.
Yeah.
We gotta cut it better.
Got quite a few hooks. Put it over there.
Watch out for that shit. It's gonna get you.
Rinse that flame off too, Nate. All this shit.
Whoa, it's dangling. Gosh, it's a fucking pterodactyl. Rob, don't step across my clean concrete.
Wow.
fucking all the way down the driveway. Yeah,
He
Rob.
likes that little motor thing. You can't start it, but he likes it.
Rob got him earlier. He's like, Rob, why don't you let me get the thing? Talking about the saw. Rob goes, you don't even know how to fucking start it. He yells at him. Oh, man. Oh. We're going to be tearing this one out.
Why do you say that?
Jordan's joints crookeder than a politician.
But his back is crooked as a politician.
Oh, that's right. Hand it to him. And all of a sudden it went whack. Mine was on that side.
Hey, it's just a rough draft. We'll fix it at the end. It's just a rough draft. Oh, look how cute you guys look up there together. That's a nice family portrait. Say cheese. Say tea. Yay. It's finally done.